The government is aware that while we have made very good progress during the last 1 year to roll out or to roll back cattle rustlers and bandits who have been running an enterprise of organized crime in this area for many, many years. Despite the ground that we had covered, we have had a few rollback and we've had a few incidents of insecurity which are regrettable, and the government takes these incidents extremely seriously. And we want to assure the people of Samburu in the affected areas that this operation, which was brought here on 13th of February last year, is a permanent operation. It is not going to end until we crush, defeat, and overcome bandits, cattle rustlers, highway robbers, and other people who are terrorizing the people of Samburu and other counties in this region that are affected. We want to assure the people of Kenya that the government is committed to sustaining the war against these criminals and to crushing and defeating them. So we are going to review the operational order that was issued last year, and we are going to now target new areas where we think bandits and other criminals, including highway robbers, are